work permit.
The State Cabinet on Friday approved the renaming of several roads and buildings in the state, including renaming a road in Tura in honor of late Bishop George Mamalassery. P.A. Sangma Road to Holy Cross Hospital in Tura has been renamed as Bishop George Mamalassery Road. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said the road, which was earlier known as Holy Cross Road, will now be renamed in memory of the longest-served Catholic bishop in Tura, Bishop George Mamalassery, who passed away on July 5, 2024.
Ten roads were renamed, and two different buildings were also renamed. The P.A. Sangma Road going towards the Holy Cross Hospital, which was earlier named as the Holy Cross Road, will be named as Bishop Mamalassery Road, late Bishop George Mamalassery Road. That also has been finalized. This, of course, is in memory of late Bishop Mama, who...
The state government has informed